Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. So I'm just going to go as quick as possible because I think whatever that I see here on the market is not really much different from what we did yesterday. So which means it's going to be as quick as possible. I will just go straight to the main important ones, the pairs that I feel like they are very important to me. So it's going to be gold, Nasdaq, US30, US oil, and DXY. So on the economic calendar, we can easily see that we are on Tuesday. We no longer have anything that we're supposed to look at here. So now we are going to look at this CPI and Federal Reserve. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and for those who wants to be part of the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. On the comment section, you can just check, not on a comment, just check the description. Then you will find my WhatsApp link. We still have that special until further notice. It's actually a lifetime signals for $60, which means you just pay once, then you enjoy our signals. So on the calendar, we just see that tomorrow is going to be a very hot one. It's going to be a hot day. We have CPI. On the numbers here, we see that there's nothing much of a change from the forecast. They say it's going 0.3%, which is the same as previous. On the CPI month over month, they seems to think that is going to go a little bit lower, which is good. Year over year is just the same, so that won't be much of a change. But yes, just expect some difference from the actuals that they're going to release tomorrow. So that is something that might actually happen. So on the Federal Reserve, on the interest rates, we saw Canada cutting the rates, we saw Europe cutting their rates, but on the US, it seems like we are pointing, or we are going for pause, the same as before or the same as previous. But this is not really the actual, it's just the estimate. They think maybe they will just keep the rates like that. Why? Because all the events that we got, they were just looking like they're not gonna cut because they were not really good. They were not really going that much. They were not going down actually. So that is something that we are supposed to think about. And if they keep them like this, it means the dollar can stay stronger for quite long. And that is not going to be good. Just saying. So on Thursday is going to be core PPI. On Friday, we also have preliminary consumer sentiment. Yeah, we will see on Friday, but we need to go through this first. But the best thing that we can do, guys, today, let's just stay out of the market and let's not really fight the market. This is going to be a very aggressive day. We are going to have some reversal rejections here and there. So on our DXY, let's see what's really happening on our DXY. We can easily see that even DXY, the bigger move that we have here is just coming from, sorry, I clicked that by mistake. It's actually coming from that NFP that we had from Friday. So you can see that after this bigger move here, the market started to consolidate. So we have to think twice that is the market retesting here and continue to go up, or maybe the market will end up going down. It's up to the market. At the moment, we don't really have know much, which means the best thing that we can do is to just wait and just do our analysis and see if maybe the market will be respecting this level or not. If the market continues to go down, that will be good because that will mean that the dollar, it will be losing some momentum, and that will be good. But if things are going to be positive, we don't really have to fight the market. We can start to buy US or sell other pairs that are going against the dollar. That's how it is. If we check closer, you can easily see that, yeah, it seems like the market here on DXY, it's respecting this level. It seems to be respecting that level. Do you see that? It seems like it's moving away from that. Or maybe the market, it's respecting that. So we will have those areas which they will end up confusing us. So the best way is to just stay out of the market for now, only for today. Maybe tomorrow after that, we will see how the market will be moving, and we're going to have some clarity. Obviously, we're going to have some clarity. The market will be showing us if it's going to continue going up or not. But at the moment, no, at the moment, we don't really see that. At the moment, we just need to be extra careful. So I will jump straight to, let's see. Let me just do this. I will just do them quick. Let me just do this because I have a meeting, guys. I have a meeting around 10. So on not Euro, man. On AUD USD, we can easily see that the market actually broke out. I was expecting a very nice push to the upside, but the market did not really like that. The market broke out, but now it seems like the market is retesting below this area. I thought maybe the market was going to continue, and we had a sell pending order, but the market reversed. That's how the market shows us that it's playing some games. But I think it's also straightforward. We just need to wait. But if we look at the other structures, you can see that what we had before here, you can see that we had something like this, and everything just made sense. When we draw our lines there, everything just made sense. But now, let me just show you something. Let me change that color. Let's increase the opacity there. Or let's make it yellow. So let's push it. Let's stretch this. Let's stretch this here. So you will see that it seems to make sense that maybe the market wants to respect that area, even though we can see a smaller breakout there. But let's not really force it. If we leave it like that, you can see that, yeah, it was still inside our trend, but this area still makes sense. So this might be a sort of a fake breakout, but we need to be extra careful with that. We need to be extra careful. We can't just conclude and say it's just like that, but there is a chance for the market to respect that area. And if we check that nicely, this will be a very smaller breakout. If it continues to go up, that will be also a good idea also. But since we have all these things, we just have to wait and see. As long as the market can go below this area, then we can say, yes, that is a proper sell. And if it keeps going up, it means the market was just giving us a sort of a fake breakout. Because the overall structure here, it was actually an uptrend. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is USD/JPY. USD/JPY, it's still on this nice uptrend as the dollar is quite stronger. We see that the market actually reached our resistance area. So what should we do here? We just have to wait for the market to do its thing. And maybe the market will be breaking out, or maybe the market will be respecting this area. So it's up to the market. So let's wait for the market. If it breaks, it means we will be continuing. But as we are waiting for the news events, there's nothing that we can do at the moment. It means that we just need to wait. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. This is quite similar to what I was trying to show you on EURUSD. We have this area that seems to make sense. Do you see that? And I think we were very quick to say we should have a downtrend. I think I did sign that sell pending order. I think I did not really see this nicely, but as I can see that now, if we need to sell, it should be below this support area. That will be good. But at the moment, it seems like the market might be respecting this area here of a support, and the market can actually continue going up like that. Unfortunately, I did not really see that because I was focused on this trend. On top there, we can have something like that, and you can see that, oh, it does make sense. It actually makes sense. So, but at the moment, we just need to wait and see for the news before we start to think about other ideas. But at the moment, we can easily see that the market seems to be respecting our horizontal support area. So we will see if maybe the market continues like that. Then we can jump on the market if it continues going up like that. So on EURUSD, not on EURUSD. Oh, I think this example that I was given here, it was on AUD USD, not EURUSD. So on Euro USD, you can see that we have a very nice structure there. So we had a proper structure, a very nice sell trend or downtrend structure. So we had a breakout. We've been talking about this consolidation for quite some time. And at the end of the day, we start to see that, yes, the market is starting to break out of that support area. So what do we call this? This is actually a continuation of the previous downtrend. But at the moment, we can just conclude, yes, we did have a sell pending order there, but the market did not really entertain that. But it seems like it's going back again. But at the moment, we just need to wait and see. But if we wait and see here, you can easily see that it seems like the market wants to continue with the trend. It seems like the market will be going down. And if that happens, it means that we are going to continue with this downtrend. That will be a sort of an adjustment. Unless if maybe the market finds its support area here and maybe reverse. But at the moment, it seems like that uptrend that we thought maybe the market was going to go up, it's disappearing quite slower or very quick, not slower, as we see a breakout. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So at the moment, we're just waiting for the news. We see that the market is showing us aggressive sell, and it shows that the dollar is quite stronger. So what we're going to do, we can mark that level. If it breaks that, it means we're going to continue going down. Unfortunately, we're no longer going to jump on that. We're no longer going to jump on those sells or on those pending orders, because now we just like few hours, even if it's more than 10 hours, before that big day or that aggressive day, which is tomorrow, CPI and FOMC same day. That's crazy. So we just need to stay out of the market. Let's just relax and just watch what's really happening. Maybe we can learn one or two things. So on gold, we also have a very nice structure. The market broke out and showed us that no, it's time for the market to go down. And we had some very nice trades on this consolidation because we were taking our sell positions. But the last one is the one that actually went crazy. So now we're just waiting. And the time the market went crazy, we saw this aggressive reversal there. It was melting. We broke out of that support. Now it seems like the market is just retesting on that. You see that? Seems like the market is respecting that. So at the moment, we just have to mark that area. Maybe the market will just continue going down. But what we see here is it's obvious that we are on a downtrend structure, but we can't just jump on anything because the market might just consolidate. And if it can hold you up to tomorrow, you might be in trouble. If you are on the wrong side of the market will create some crazy moves, obviously. And that is not something that we want. But we can easily see that, yes, the market is actually on a downtrend structure, but anything can happen. And for now, the market might actually consolidate. But for tomorrow, we know that the market will start to give us some clear structure that we can start to work with. So now we are on US30. Quite similar to what I showed you yesterday. As I said, this is quick analysis. You can see that the market was going up. We had this breakout. At the moment, we can see something like this starting to we start to see the formation of this consolidation structure. We see the market was retesting here, which is good. Now it seems like the market will be trying to go down, or even if it doesn't really reach that level, the market might just consolidate around this level until we have proper clear move, whether we are going to continue buying or selling, and that is going to be tomorrow. So please, let's not fight the market, guys. I know it's been tough, but it's not really that tough, because sometimes when we take only one loss or two losses, it seems like we lost the whole month. No, we had some very serious profitable month, but just because we had some few reversal here and there, that seems to be the whole month. And just because we're taking some loss, we don't really like to losing. We don't really like to lose. But once we take that win, we enjoy wins. We enjoy wins. Out of 10, you might find that we lose 4 times. And mostly you feel like, oh, the market is not moving nice. That's part of those are the emotions that we have in the market, you see. So now we are on Nasdaq. We can see that we don't really have some clear structures here, but what we have there is a nice resistance structure. We can easily see that the market is trying to break this level, but it's respecting that. We also have a nice support there. So now we just expect the market to play around until we get some clear move from tomorrow. And from that, I think maybe we're gonna see what will happen. On S&P 500, we also have the same thing. The market respected our resistance area. So we're just expecting a consolidation until we have a proper move. At the moment, we can't rule anything out. We can't say, no, we will be going on that uptrend. No, we have to wait for the news. But my prediction from tomorrow, I think they will cut the rates. That's my prediction. Obviously, the calendar is saying that they're not gonna cut the rates. Yes, that is their prediction. We just predict. It's not like maybe if I get it wrong, someone needs to die. No, we just predict and see what will happen. So if they cut the rates, that is also good because I also want them to cut the rates. So if they don't really cut, that is also good because they will tell us what will happen next. You see. So on US oil, we see that the market is still on this nice downtrend structure. So we had a nice buy pending order. Sorry, not buy, sell pending order. Then the market kept pushing up. Maybe the market wants to reach this resistant level before we see another sell. That is also good, but this was aggressive reversal there. But at the moment, I think we just have to wait for the market to respect that level. Then we can continue looking for that sell as we are on this nice downtrend structure. So for today, I think this is enough. Quite similar to what we did yesterday. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I thought maybe this was, oh, it's 16 minutes. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, for those who wants to be part of the team, that it's our special, limited special that we have. If you want to be part of the team, you can learn with us. But that is actually signals only. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.